Now we will learn how to refill the bobbin. Remove the spool pin and place this thread reel. To remove the bobbin winder, press this pin and rotate anti-clockwise and place the bobbin. To lock it, just press and rotate the bobbin. Take the thread from the reel and rotate from the front side of the bobbin to 2-3 times. And make sure the thread is removed from all the loops before starting the machine. Hold the thread like this in your right hand and make sure the speed is low and then turn on the machine. You can see that the bobbin is refilling.